Stop. Once this item is open, I cannot return it. So I wanted these Stylecraft Flexes because I have these and I ain't feeling them no more. Like, I like them. This is my actual third pair, I think. So the first pair I got, what did I do with them? I think I sold them because I sold them. I can't remember why I sold them, but I sold them. And so then I got another pair, and then the battery was like messing up on it. It would like die super fast. And so I sent them into Wall, and I think they just sent me a refurbished pair. But I got the blade. Freaking Kankalon here on here. I got the blade set by the Barberess, so they hit pretty hard. Well, they did. I don't know. I just ain't been feeling them lately. So I wanted another clipper, and they're sharp. So I can't really use them in different, like all over, like on the face and stuff like that because they're sharp. But I'll need something with a small blade. In the past, I've had the the Slimline Pros. I got another pair of those, but I wasn't feeling those either. I ended up giving them to my dad, and I've had a couple pairs of Slimline Pros. But those are really the only clippers that I've had that had a small blade. But I did hear that they have Sabres coming out with a small blade. I'm thinking about getting the small blade that comes on it, but we'll see how it goes with these first. Okay, back to these. Like, I just rambled all over the world. The box is nice. I really enjoyed the packaging for Stylecraft. This, like I said, this is my second item from them, and I really like their packaging. It's got magnets on there. So we're going, oh, good God. That looks really beautiful. Like, I can't even lie. Like, it looks good, like really good. So it has the different skin colors that you can change it to. Of course, it comes with the black. I think I'm gonna make mine blue. I think I'm gonna make mine black and blue with a pink dot. But I have to look into how to change these up and stuff. So of course it comes with the clipper. These are a really good size. These are definitely comparable to the Wall Detailer in terms of size. They're really small. I guess they could. I wouldn't say that. Yeah, I really like the ergonomics of these. I like how they're kind of beveled on the side, so you can kind of hold it in certain ways. You need to do stuff. It's made really ergonomically great. Like, especially for cutting hair. Like, they really did a good job with that. Like, you can do whatever you need to do with this thing. So it comes with a charging stand. It looks like it might be the same charger for the Sabre, but let's see. Can y'all see my dirty floor? Hopefully not. But if you can, I told y'all what was going on in the other video, so don't judge me. No, because the Sabre is square, so these do not fit in the Sabre. Like I said, it's got the blue and pink faces. It does look like it is the same charger though. It's just the Sabre is got a square bottom, so it can't fit the no, are they not? Oh, yeah, it's the same charger. It has the USB-C charging on there too, which is great. It's very convenient. But yeah, it comes with the regular stuff, a little screw, some guards, oil, a little tiny brush, extra screws. That's cool. I mean, it comes with the screwdriver, which usually they do, but it usually doesn't come with, most clippers don't come with like extra screws, so that's cool. I did not fill this out for my other clippers. I need to. I keep the boxes for my clippers, so I'll probably just fill that out and send it in. But I'm just gonna look at this user manual and make sure it doesn't say you have to charge it up before using it, because I want to try it on my face, because I got my neck beard is like super popping. I just want to see how it works right out the box. The rechargeable battery must only be used with hair clippers. Do not use battery for other products. Okay, it don't say nothing about that, so I'm just about to use them. Usually I just use them, so I don't know why I'm being so extra careful today. But it did have like some explanations on how to undo these. Look like you just take the screws out and you can change the battery. I haven't took my clippers apart in a long time. I don't really do that as much as I used to anymore. Okay, let's go back to, should I keep it horizontal since that's how I started this? We just gonna keep it horizontal. Okay. Should I do this in the mirror? We're gonna just do this with the camera. So even though these are new, we're gonna spray them off with some clipper salt. Is this blade smaller? Let's see. Here they go. So this is the X Pro blade, and then this is the regular blade. The blade is slightly smaller, not too much. This is more of a TY blade, whereas this is, I don't know what this shape is called, a standard blade. I don't know, but yeah. So it is a little bit smaller. Then got the Wall Detailers here, which is what I was buying them to kind of compete with, I guess you could say. And I think I'm gonna buy the Wall High Vis, Because that's really, I was really looking at getting a high vis, but then I was kind of getting mixed reviews when I was looking them up. And I wanted something that I knew was going to go. And then I get the high vis like a little bit later or whatever. But size comparison, they're very comparable. The wall detailer is a little bit more fat. But as far as like size, it's really comparable. But like I said, I really do like the ergonomics of this. When I seen it like in pictures, it looks like a superhero or something, like the way it's shaped. Like a big chest, a small waist, or like, I don't know, a lady or something. Like it's really super looking. But yeah, so that's a comparison to, as far as like size. Of course, they're smaller than pretty much everything else. But yeah, the blade size, it's pretty comparable. I think the wall is slightly wider. But from what I've seen, these are like really good clippers. Like they are good at balding. I'm not used to something having a one button in the middle. I guess the Babyliss are like that, but that's kind of different. I guess these do too. I guess that's how, no, let me strike that from the record. Okay, they're at 2 2. This always happens. This happened when with the other Stylecraft clippers I had, that it was like smoking. You see that? Yeah, that happened when I turned on the, I like these a lot. Yeah, I like these a lot. Let me look in the mirror right quick. Yeah, these botted out really good to me with no irritation. It wasn't sharp or nothing like that. Then, like I said, this is straight out the box. They're really close. It's not zero gap, but they're super duper close to being zero gap. I'm trying to decide if I'm get them closer or not. I think I might make my sabers more closer and use them only on the hairline and to bald out, because it seems like the hairline can take sharper clippers. I mean, don't get me wrong, you will cut somebody's skin if they're too sharp, but the hairline can take more sharper clippers than the face and like the back of the neck can. And I might keep these for those areas, especially since it has the smaller blade. I'm gonna line up my face in the mirror and then I'm gonna come back. So I noticed like I had to go over places like right here, and they still smoking. I think they just stopped. But I had to go over places like right here a couple times because they not, like I said, they ain't zero gap. So I feel like they could be a little bit closer, because right now they ain't even barely biting. They ain't biting at all. So I think that I could push them up just a tiny bit and they still not be too sharp. But I'm also thinking maybe I shouldn't, and keep some of my other my other clippers as sharp ones. Overall, straight out the box, y'all saw me pull them out the box, spray them down with some clipper side. That was it. These some good clippers, and you can feel the power in them, kind of like the Saber too. Like I think the Saber is a little more quiet though. Yeah, it is. The Saber is a little bit more quiet, and I think it might be because of the metal housing. I think this is plastic, and it sounds like it's in plastic, so I think that might be why you get a little bit more sound out of these as in comparison to the Sabers. But the detailers is in plastic too, and they honestly, these are a little bit more quiet. It sounds like the motor is like more tight or something like that, if you can hear the difference. But they're the same kind of sound, if you will, and I think it's because they're both in a plastic housing. I think that's it. But yeah, get you some. I would honestly recommend these and the Sabers, and of course Babyliss is right now to me the best clippers. I want to try them Cocos, and like I said, the wall high vis. So them will probably be my next edges I'm gonna buy. I think I'm gonna sell my detailers, because for what? Like I don't need them no more. And then I got like the OG Babyliss. I don't even barely use these anymore either. I feel like I should sell these. I might. And even the second to OG, the Babyliss. This ain't even got the new charging block things or whatever. But yeah, so that's my review on the wall. That's my review on the Stylecraft Flex, the Stylecraft Pro Flex. I really enjoy these clippers so far. I'm excited to use them on my clients. I'm still debating if I'm gonna adjust them any, but I'll probably let y'all know in the video. If I'm using them, I'll let y'all know. But that's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.